Students, today we are starting with the second part of business, that is marketing. Now, first we're going to start with that of definition of marketing. Now, marketing is a social process. Why? Because market is a place which is there in the society, and moreover it is just functioning because of that of people of society. That is a place where buyers and sellers meet and they exchange goods and services for money. That is known as marketing. So marketing is a social process in which the buyers and sellers exchange goods and services for money or something value to them. Okay, now features of marketing. Now, marketing focuses on identifying and satisfying the needs and wants of consumers. As an if a market realize that you have a little hunger at that time, nor soups have been evolved. Okay, so they just identify and satisfy the needs and wants of the consumers. Next one, marketing creates market offering. Now market also creates market offering. Whenever you see the advertisements, these all are marketing. Now at that time they are just giving you the features of the product also, their size also, quality also, taste also, price also. So they give all such kind of information to the consumers. Next one, they provide greatest value set or benefit for the money. Now marketing is that kind of function which provides greatest value for a single penny which is being expended by a consumer. So when you purchase a 10 rupees of dairy milk, at that time that particular 10 rupees spent by you on a dairy milk will going to satisfy the chocolate cravings for you. Okay, next one, it is a platform or exchange mechanism where goods and services are exchanged for goods and money. Okay, that is, it's written over here which is wrong. That is, it is a platform or mechanism or exchange mechanism where goods and services are exchanged for money. Okay, so it is a platform where goods and services are exchanged for money. Okay, so we have done four of the features, that it satisfies the needs and wants, it creates market offering by just giving the information about the availability of product. Next one, it provides greatest value of the money spent by the consumers. Next one, it is a platform for exchange mechanism. Coming to the functions of marketing, first of all, the very first function which comes is a marketing research. Now, marketing research in which we are gathering and analyzing the information about the market, that what the consumer want to buy, when they will likely to buy, in what quantities do they buy, from where do they buy. Okay, so कंज्यूमर क्या लेना चाहता है, कहाँ से लेना चाहता है, कितनी क्वांटिटी में लेना चाहता है और किस समय पे लेना चाहता है, ये सारी चीज़ों की जब हम इंफॉर्मेशन को एनालाइज करते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज योर मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. Coming to the next one, that is market planning. Okay, now marketing planning means drawing out small plans in order to achieve your marketing objective, that is known as your marketing planning. For example, this Diwali you have made a target of increasing your sales by 20%. Now for achieving that particular marketing objective, whatever small plans you are drawing out, say for giving the discount to the consumers, giving one gift to that of the consumers, this all will be coming as a part of marketing planning. Next one is your product designing and development. Now, here comes the product design must be such that it must attract the consumers and it must be useful for the consumers to satisfy their needs and wants. Okay, now development means every time doing something new and innovative with your product. Maggi was introduced as a simple Maggi noodles. Now, every time a development is being done with the flavors, with the taste, with the hygiene, and for that of the health conscious people. So every time you must bring one or the another development in your product to just maintain the interest of the consumers in your product. Next one, buying and assembling. Now different types of raw material or components. Okay, now buying means just purchasing the raw materials to manufacture goods. Okay, now assembling means dumping them at one place and transforming it into the finished goods. Buying means when we are purchasing the different kinds of raw material. Okay, when we are purchasing salt, sugar, butter, maida, at that time it is known as buying. When we are dumping it and they just in that of the bakery, at that time what happens, it is being transformed into a bakery biscuit. This is known as your assembling. Coming to the next one, standardization and grading. Standardization refers to the process of setting the predetermined standards for the product. Okay, suppose Balaji wafers, you purchase it from Ahmedabad or from Udaipur, it will be of 10 rupees only, that is a standard price. The quantity which is coming in that packet, which you have bought from that of Ahmedabad or from Udaipur, will be of the same quantity. That is the thing, it will be having a same size, same quality, same quantity, same color, same price. That is known as a predetermined standard. जब हम कैडबरी का कोई प्रोडक्ट बाय करते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड होता है उसके अंदर, हम कहीं से भी डेयरी मिल्क परचेज करके खाए, वही यम टेस्ट होगा, वही चॉकलेट क्रेविंग सेटिस्फैक्शन करने का उसमें पावर होगा. दैट इज नोन एज योर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन. ओके, नाउ द पर्पस ऑफ स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन इज टू ब्रिंग यूनिफॉर्मिटी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी इन द प्रोडक्ट. आप कहीं से भी दुनिया के किसी कोने से भी परचेज करें, आपको वही लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा जो आप कहीं से भी परचेज करें. That is known as standardization. Now coming to the grading, a process of classification of product according to that of the size, quality, price, color, that is known as grading. When you are purchasing a refrigerator, at that time simple metallic है, उसका रेट कम होगा, floral designs में चले जाते हैं, उसका रेट, तो that is known as grading. जैसे जैसे आप goods का classification, उसकी price, उसकी quantity, उसकी color के हिसाब से उसको वेरिएट करते चले जाते हैं, that is known as your grading. Now coming to the packaging and labeling. Now packaging refers to the design of the product or the outer cover of the product. Okay, जो भी बाहर का outer cover है, जो डिज़ाइन है पैकेट का, that is known as your packaging. The information which is being displayed on that particular packet is comprising as called as labeling. Okay, labeling can be a simple tag. इतना सा टैग लटका हुआ हो सकता है, उसके ऊपर मूंग दाल से लेके सम कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्राफिक भी हो सकते हैं. ये सीधी पैकेजिंग ऑफ दैट ऑफ लॉटे चोकोपाई. ओके, तो उस पर ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन होती है, हल्का सा लॉटे चोकोपाई वाला जो पोर्शन होता है थोड़ा उभर के बताया जाता है. तो पैकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग मीन्स वॉट एवर द आउटर कवर इन विच द प्रोडक्ट इज बिंग पैक्ड, दैट इज नोन एज पैकेजिंग. वॉट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन विच इज बिंग डिस्प्लेड ऑन द पैकेट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज नोन एज योर लेबलिंग. Now branding. Branding means giving the name, sign, symbol, design to a product in order to distinguish your product with that of the others one. It is known as branding. Okay, now when we are giving when a company is giving a name to a shoe, Nike, at that time Nike is just distinguishing its product with that of the other one. That is known as branding. That is giving a name, sign and symbol to the product in order to differentiate your product from that of your competitors. Okay, coming to the next function, storage and warehousing. Now storage and warehousing which we have done already in 11, that there is a time gap between production and consumption. Okay, we cannot produce that time only when the consumers are demanding. Okay, जैसे ही कंज्यूमर चिप्स के डिमांड करते, लेज वाला गरम गरम चिप्स निकाल के उनको नहीं देता, वो ऑलरेडी पैक्ड होता है, स्टोरेज में पड़ा होता है, एंड दे सेटिस्फाई देयर नीड्स. ओके, सो देयर इज अ टाइम गैप बिटवीन प्रोडक्शन एंड कंजम्पशन. ओके, ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड गुड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू बी स्टोर्ड इन द वेयरहाउस एंड in order to protect them from the pest, from that of the insects, and at the same time to maintain the continuous supply and that of the market. Next one, transportation. Now transportation creates, place utility, movement of the goods or raw materials from the place of source to that of the factory, and movement of finished goods from the factory place to that of the marketplace. Suppose we are dealing in that of the furniture business. At that time, just bringing the woods from that of place of source, a jungle, to that of here in factory, it is known as what we require is a transportation. As soon as we make furniture, it has to be displayed in market in order to be just sold out. So what is we require again is a transportation. Okay, now coming to the next one is your promotion. Promotion refers to all those activities in which we are actually convincing our prospective buyers about the features of the product, about the availability. The purpose of promotion is to increase our sales volume. कोई भी promotion करता है तो इसीलिए करता है, उसकी popularity market में बढ़ जाए, उसकी sales market में बढ़ जाए. और promotion का मतलब ये होता है कि हम जो भी अपने काबिल customers हैं जो कि हमारा product खरीद सकते हैं, उनको inform करते हैं कि yes, you can just buy this product because these all are this features which are there in my product. Okay, customer support services. Now how you are handling your complaints. Today there is every toll free number given by each and every company to handle the consumer complaints. So consumer complaints, credit services, warranty, guarantee, these all will be coming under the case of consumer support services. Okay, next one is your pricing of product. Now the amount of money which you are ready to pay in order to purchase the product is known as your price. Next one, physical distribution. Now goods are manufactured by the manufacturers, but they are sold by the retailers and they are consumed by the consumers. So the path which the goods are being manufactured and they are being sold to that of the consumers, that particular path which includes several intermediaries like wholesalers, distributors, agent, retailers, this all comprises as a part of physical distribution. So here we have completed with the features of marketing and the functions of marketing in a sequential manner. Tomorrow we are going to start with the new topic. Thank you.